2026 Honda Prelude. This coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. In addition to its fantastic fit and finish, you'll also get cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers. Enjoy a test drive and experience it for yourself now.